Hi, I'm Buck, and welcome to Uncle Buck's Barbecue. The name of the smoke is the Southern Pride. We do low and slow. That is the big thing with me. Our brisket's 10, 12 hours. Our pulled pork is 12 hours. Our ribs are 6 to 8 hours. Even chicken, we take 3 or 4 hours to do the chicken. We can do about 300 pounds of meat at a time. There's shelves in there and they actually rotate, so it's kind of like a convection. Everything gets the right amount of smoke and right amount of heat at the same time. So I would probably say my pulled pork is number one, followed by ribs and brisket. My inspiration, I think, I was born and raised on a farm, so I cut my teeth on kielbasa and jerky in the backyard in a 55-gallon drum with my dad. So always doing something with meats and smoking. And 10 years ago, I decided corporate America was not the place for me, and I got a very supportive wife, and she agreed, and we bought this place and been here ever since. When we first started here 10, 11 years ago, I had the smoker going, and all of a sudden cars are slowing down because the smell goes through the town. So everybody's like, what's going on over there? You know, it's a small town. So now everybody that comes in when we're smoking, they're like, oh my God, I love that smell. And we're smoking about every day, and I think that is what draws people here. Like, I'm in a barbecue place. You know, I'm not in McDonald's, I'm in a barbecue place.